when I'm getting dehydrated now. I didn't used to be able to. Yeah, it still ain't that easy to tell because it's not like you feel it that much. Yeah, I think it's a big part of some of our issues. Dehydration and sleep. Yeah. Right? Every time I go in the hospital, they hydrate me. My vascular surgeon says every time you come in, you're dehydrated. And I didn't even know. I'm like, yeah, I guess I understand that. It's hard to drink enough water in Arizona. I've been trying, but it takes even more work than trying. You got to really work at it. Another thing to get determined about, I've been working on that for, since Neil told me, good 6 months now, but even before that, I knew I should be drinking more water, and I would try. I don't drink soda. I don't drink anything else. Just coffee in the morning and then water. Half of my problems I had recently were dehydration, turned into medical issues over the long term. Anyway, the other thing is quit smoking. So, Kristen, are you still here? Right.